Dogs can't even say a word, but they have so many friends. And you, look at yourself. You can speak perfectly, but then you shit yourself if someone asks you for directions. The book How to Win Friends and Influence People explains in a chapter why dogs are so loved by everyone and how we ourselves can start using their tactic with other people. It's not witchcraft, it's not magic, it's just psychology. You know when a dog is wagging its tail and it's going around your leg, you can't help but smile. If we want to make friends, let's greet people with animation and enthusiasm. That's literally a quote from the book. It's one of Newton's laws. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If you go up to someone with aggression, they'll be aggressive to you back. But then, if you approach someone with positive energy, then they'll give you positive energy back. We love dogs so much because they freak out when there's a possibility to play with them. They see a person and they're like, ooh, friend. And best of all, they have no ulterior motives. They don't want to scam you and they don't want to use you for anything. Something I found really interesting is that Dale Carnegie, the author, said that dogs are the only animal who do not have to do anything for us to take care of them. I mean, just think about it. Chickens have to lay eggs. Cows have to give milk. But dogs, they just love us and we love them back for it. Now, that's a really important quote. We like people who like us. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. If you want to make friends, have a genuine interest in other people. No one likes the boastful dickhead, but everyone likes themselves. So take an interest. Remember small details, say happy birthday, and ask them about things they find important. And soon people will start to love you more. Maybe not as much as a dog, but more than they like you now anyway. You're not early, you're not late, you're just on a different timeline. See you, bro.